Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another training of programming of mine. Firstly, we will start with a 5 minutes of typing practice, and then I will do SQL or TypeScript. I'm not sure yet. So let's get into it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to start the time. Mm, well, we are 2 minutes in now, 3 minutes almost, so two more. Or we'll see. Maybe I can do all this. Okay. 10%. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. Continue. Okay. 8%. Oh, well, just keep the practice is the main thing. I have to remind myself from time to time. So stop this, and the next thing, what it will be. SQL and TypeScript, both of them have those. Seems same, so I don't know, SQL. Okay, now I should not forget the start time. Okay, so we are creating a table of people. Then cats, that's the all same thing we have all the time, so it should be, I don't even need to read it. Wilford has a Wilford, and no cats. Okay, then we have select person name, cat name from people, inner join cats. So that is inner join is like join, right? And that is where that and that. Okay, so this shows that we can use on or where. So we have a person name, and that will be Alford here, and then we have a cat name, and that is Wilford as well. And we will not get this guy because Cindy does not have a cat, so this should be okay, and it is. Create a cats table with 2 columns: name and owner name. Add a unique constraint to ensure that that an owner can't have 2 cats with the same name. Okay, so we what? Okay, so table, which table? Cats, and the columns will be name and owner name, owner name. There should be comma. Now we will have unique. Here we will specify. Oh, there's supposed to be a comma after that parameter. That was the one error I was doing. So now I will specify what should be supposed to be unique, and that will be pair of name and owner name. So name, owner name, like so. Then we will close the parameters, right? Stat create table cats. Okay, so he's not doing that thing, so maybe I should not as well. Like so, okay, unique owner name. What else? Add unique constraints to ensure the owner creates. Okay, so that should be it basically, and I could make it nicer a little bit. Yeah, this one, then this guy. And here I will delete those things. And unique will be. So maybe, I don't know, let's go. Crap, syntax error. Your name. Oh, create table cats. And that should be, oh, what? Why, how do you? Yeah, I messed it up. Here should be open banana and here close banana. Oh well. He is trying to get a list of usernames and comment texts for every comment in the system. Make it a live join so that it also includes users who have never covered in a comment. Select only name and comment text columns. Okay, so we will select two things, and that is a comment. Come on, go back. I should go back, not delete. But it deletes stuff. Huh. Okay. Select. Now there will be comment text. Is it a field somewhere? Comment text and the name. Okay. Comment text. Name. From, and we want what? We want all the users. So users will be on the left side. Here we will say left join. What is it? Comments. And here will be the condition on, and that will be the user's ID. User's ID equal to user underscore ID. So that will be comments dot user underscore ID. User underscore ID. Yep, that should be it. Create table cats. Okay, then we are inserting that one. Okay, so this shows up that we can, it does not check for the type of the value. So this will fly as well, and we will have a cats up in the age. Oh well. So name will be 7, and then we will have a age, and that will be Katsup. Now I'm not sure if this one should be in a quote as well, so we'll try this. And that is not correct, so maybe it should be in a quote. Table users, table discounts, Amir with a discount, but no discount. And we are selecting a name. And we are joining on users, all users. Some of the discounts were users, discount ID equals discount ID. So we will have a here name Amir, and then we will have a discount code, and here will be free month, and then we will have a name Betty, and the discount code might be null. I don't know. I think so. I think it's null, and it is. So what do we have here? People and cats. Okay. So and Wilford has a cat named Wilford, and Cindy has no cat. Okay. So this is a primary key, not null. ID primary key, owner ID. This is the foreign key, and name on what we are doing here. So we are selecting person name, cat name from people, inner join, that is the full one. And we have two conditions, and the first is on people ID, cats ID. Okay, so Cindy will not be included in there. Interesting. So here we will have a person name, and that will be Wilford. Then we will have a cat name, and that will be Wilford as well. Close it, and that's it. And I will hopefully repair the things I screwed up. So here we should create, oh yeah, so create table, and here we will be cats. Now I have to open the parentheses. On the end, I'll close it. And here we will specify the columns. So first it will be name, then it will be, okay, that was not name. Okay, name. The second one is owner name. Then we will say unique. Is this the, yeah, the example, unique. And unique will be name and owner name. That should be it, right? I think so. And it is. So, and here If it is a text and we will put in a number, it will be string of that number. So I'll do that. So we will have a name, and that will be 7 in quotes, and then we will have a age, and that will be catsup. Close it and hope for the best, and best happened. And I have nothing here. Well, okay. Well, let's look at the SQL things in here. Okay, so without SQL, with RSQL. Okay, I think. Okay, they have some. Maybe I will just do this. Let's continue. So intro. What is SQL? That one I read, I think. Using SQL at your website. I need lots of shit. Select, keep them SQL's keywords are not case sensitive. I read that, semicolons. And here's like the most important, that one I saw the last time as well. Select. So select, you're selecting columns, customer name, city from customers. I know that one. This is selecting all, that one I know as well. And here's some exercise, so we can do that. Select like this. So make next one. Maybe I can do just, can try to do those. So right statement that will select city column from the customers. Okay, select city from, well, it's not case sensitive. Okay, next one. And here we select different, so that was distinct. Distinct, and we are correct. I can do where, why not? So it will be where for sure. Now what? Where city? Okay, city equals Berlin. Correct. Use not keyword to select or, okay. Where city not Berlin. Not correct. That might be where not city equal Berlin. Okay. What is here? Select all records where the customer ID columns. Okay. Where then ID equals, not plus, equals 32, you say. Okay. Correct. Select from where city and postal code. style code, call that. Select, then we have a where and what? Select all records where the city column has the value Berlin or London. Okay. Or city equals London. Order by. Order by. And what will be the column? City. Okay. Then we will have select from customers, sort reversed alphabetically the column. Okay. There by, and there will be city descending, I think. Okay. Select all records from the customer table, sort the results alphabetically, first by the column country, then by the column city. Okay, select order by, and here will be country, city, order by country. Okay, maybe I don't know something in here. So we can go to next thing here. Distinct. Only distinct different values inside the table. Example without distinct. So without distinct. Now I'm thinking if it okay, so country from customers, so it will be select distinct that, and if I have a multiple ones, does it limit the result as well? Select distinct, okay, distinct, and we have a select count distinct country. That is interesting. This one. Now we have no duplication. Okay, cool. Now what? Count distinct country. So what if can I edit it? I can, okay. So I do this, that is 91. Do I have to use the bananas? Oh. Error, okay, so this one does not fly. Okay, and if I put it inside of those, no, come on. Here I go one word there, parentheses, one word back. This is run. This one works. Okay, so it has to be count and the column in bananas or columns. Okay. So now what? Example. Select count everything as distinct countries from, and we will select distinct from country. That, okay, so that is a workaround for MS Access. Here are some tests, which I did. Skill where did I put the conditions in? That's kind of straightforward. So, where country? Mexico, so there will be all the Mexicans. Mexico, country. Here, this one, custom ID, okay, that makes sense. Then SQL requires single quotes around text values. Single quotes. Most database systems will also allow double quotes. Okay, however, numeric fields should not be closed in quotes. So this is in quotes, this is not, and they do no spaces. Interesting. Operators: equal, greater, less, greater, equal, less, equal, not equal, between, like, in. Okay, so this between I don't know about. Well, there's an interval, right, between 50 and 60 price. Okay, and it will, there's a price and it will select that. Okay, so between 50 and 60. Okay, I got it now. So there was a like, and like as percent. So how this one works? Everything starts with an S. So city, city is, yeah. So that starts with a. Can I do star in here? Because that would make sense to me. Run, no result. Okay. So I'll return it here. Why percent? Oh well, I guess we will never know. And like, and then we have in, we are over. So city in, that will select those. Okay, so we are over the time. That means we are done. That is better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.